Can this tiny module communicate with satellites orbiting 20,000 kilometers above the Earth and tell me my exact location? Let's start with the unboxing. So this is the Reyax RY352A GNSS module. At first glance, it may look simple, but it supports multiple satellite navigation systems including GPS, GLONASS, Galileo and BeiDou. Now let's take a closer look at the module itself. On the top, we have a ceramic patch antenna that receives signals directly from navigation satellites. At the bottom, we have interface pins used for communication and power. One of the nice things about this module is that it continuously outputs standard NMEA GPS messages over a serial interface, making it easy to connect to computers, microcontrollers, and embedded systems. To test this module, I am using a USB to TTL converter. The connections are very simple. First, connect VCC and ground to provide power to the module. Then connect the serial line. We just need module's TX pin to be connected to adapter's RX pin. With the wiring complete, we can connect the USB TTL adapter to the computer in the USB port. After plugging the adapter into my laptop, I'll be opening VisualGPS. Under Tools, I'll click on Connect to GPS, select the port and baud rate and click on OK. At this point, the receiver begins searching for satellites and collecting the information required to calculate its position. And there it is. The module is now detecting and tracking multiple satellites. VisualGPS shows the satellite positions, signal strengths, and real-time navigation data. We can also refer to the position plot and NMEA monitor. For such a compact module, it is impressive to see it communicating directly with satellites which are 20,000 km above Earth and calculating its position in real time. This confirms that RYS352A is working perfectly and is ready for real-world applications. But this is only the first step. In the next video, we are going to take this GNSS module much further. I'll combine this Reyax module with IMU sensor to build a vehicle black box system capable of recording GPS location, speed, acceleration, braking events, and motion data. If you want the next part of this build soon, drop black box in the comments right now. Also, smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. I'll see you in part 2.